Welcome friends to this video tutorial on AutoCAD electrical software. In this video we will see how to open a drawing. What is the difference between project and drawing? Project is a collection of drawing where drawing is an individual sheet. It is a space where all the diagrams are drawn. But project, it is a collection of drawing sheets. The first method is using your application menu. Go to your application menu, new. Now you can see that it is asking for a template. Select any template. Now we have created a drawing, or we have opened a drawing sheet by using application menu. Next, by using the quick menu, we will see how to add a new drawing. Here you are having an icon. By clicking this icon also, I can create a new drawing. Now you can see that here another drawing is created. This is the second way. The third way is by using the project manager tab, I can add a new drawing. You can see that I have created a new drawing sheet called as 4 by using the project manager. The other way to add a new drawing is right click on your tab and click new. By this way also I can add a new drawing in AutoCAD electrical. The other way is right click on your project, new drawing. I am naming it as 5. Totally we are having 5 methods in AutoCAD electrical by which I can open a new drawing. One is application menu, another one is quick start menu, next one is your project manager tab, next right click your project and add a new drawing, last go to your tab, right click and add a new project. If you want to close a drawing, by using this I can close a drawing. Similarly, I can save a drawing or save as a drawing by using the right click menu. Here I can save this drawing or save as, or I can save all the drawing at once. Here I can close all the drawing at once. Next, the other way of saving your document is here you can save the drawing by using this button. Here you can save as. At the top you are having save and save as. By clicking this button also you can save your project or save as your project. The other way is by using the application menu. In application menu you are having save and save as. These are 3 ways by which you can save your drawing in AutoCAD electrical. Thank you.